I'm really just trying to move it.
You're a bad driver. Just hold this like this. Look, we can block ourselves like this. Look.
It's gonna come after you.
I got bumpers. I got a guard, see? I got a guard.
I'm trying to get it to go to Chris.
I know, like 10 years
I
later.
tell you, you're going to drunk drive it all the way over there.
Drunk
Driving there. Once she explained how to get there, I knew.
Oh, drunk drive, that's all you had to say.
Yeah, I was like, oh, now I know. Look, I can get him.
Oh, this makes me go forward. I feel like I'm in like in a high school.
You kind of look like it.
Mama! Cookie!
Okay, that's scary. She's like cramming speed. That's kind of scary. She's like cramming speed. Got someone in my sights.
Really?
Oh, Lord.
It's all cruising.
Dun dun. Dun dun.
I just realized I think my camera's filming on Zoom.